To paint your PVC trim, use a high-grade exterior acrylics latex paint with urethane additive. Some examples are PBG Manor Hall or Sherwin-Williams Vinyl Safe. The LRV, which is your light reflective value, needs to be 55 units or greater. Basically, the higher the number of LRV, the more the sun and the heat will reflect off of the paint. The lower the number, the more the sun and the heat will absorb into the paint. Using paint with an LRV under 55 units will void your warranty. Before painting, make sure that the surface has been properly cleaned and lightly sanded. Remove mildew and mold with a mixture of water and bleach. You do not need to prime your PVC trim. However, 2 coats may be necessary. You can also paint over your nail heads, screws, and fill and flex.